morning. Today I will be picking up my Honda CRF 250 Rally. I'm really excited. I rented this van that I've rented before for a camping trip. I got up at 5:30 a.m., got out the door by 6, and I'm here now, and it's currently 7:53. That's a Honda. I stopped at the Wawa to get some gas so I don't have to stop before I go back. And I'm gonna meet with this guy in a few minutes, and super excited.
It stands down, you can't start the engine, which is a good safety.
If it's in first.
Yeah. Oh, is it first? Because I don't know if I've ever noticed.
You can start it.
I mean, you're right. If it's in, so is your bike the same way?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's just a standard safety feature?
Yeah. On newer bikes, it's all standard.
Oh, that's just a safety feature.
Yeah.
It needs the change dry. It definitely needs some stuff. It hasn't been ridden in probably 4 months, maybe 3 months, because we keep it in the shed.
Yeah.
We built that this year, so we're going to move everything in there.
You can take this thing out for a spin real quick.
Be safe, man, please.
Yeah, I will.
It's your first time on this bike. Be safe. I'm talking to you like my kids.
Bunch.
Stony, come here.
That needs to be adjusted.
Let's go grab that rear, Alan.
All right, no problem. All right, good morning. I just got here. All right, guys, so here it is in all its glory. There wasn't many photos of it online, so I really didn't know what to expect. It's a little rougher around the edges than I would have probably gone for, but I mean, they use it as a dirt bike, so totally get it. Has the upgraded handlebars, Acerbid handguards, got the luggage rack on the back. That's about it, that's all I could see. He got the replacement for this side, for the fairing and the bottom piece. It's very dirty, but it rides well. I need to adjust that clutch lever. That clutch lever was like super short. And then I do need to replace this turn signal. I'm gonna replace that with LEDs. That's the second one I saw online that had that problem, so I'm wondering if Honda messed up. May need to replace the chain. Here's the deal. The guy has the title that he got signed over from the other guy, but it's not in his name. So now we're discussing what we're gonna do, because I don't want it to be sketchy, but it's sketchy sometimes when you're buying stuff and people don't really know everything all the time. So told him he has to get the title in his name in order to transfer it to me. So we'll see what happens, but here it is. And it's actually a 2020 Honda CRF 250 Rally. He had it listed as a 2019. He only has one mirror. I'm gonna have to replace that. Hopefully he has 2 keys, but everything seems solid. Needs a nice cleaning. That's really about it. Everything seems to be in working order. All right, we're just gonna get on. First ride felt nice. I could definitely take this thing on the highway. All right, let's go, people.
only thing is that I'm aware of is this, and that's just stupidity. That's just letting it get loose. But
Yeah, so you're not aware of any like mechanical stuff?
no, we changed the oil. Now, Harrison said we changed the oil back in September.
You mind if I ride on the dirt just to bring
Oh,
it
you can
around?
ride wherever you want. Alright, so I think I should get behind it. Alright, whenever you want to step up, you good? Oh, that was easy. Oh, stop! Did you kill me?
Hey, I didn't know you were holding it. My bad, man.
No, it's alright. I just thought you jumped through.
Grom in Virginia for my wife.
She rides it around.
I bought it for her. She rode it one time. I ride it way more than her.
My kids love them. They jump around, bro.
They're one of the best. Alright, as you can see, guys, I ended up getting the bike. It was a little nerve-wracking not having the title like ready right then and there. But the guy invited me to his house. We exchanged information and I trusted him enough to do it. If we were meeting in like some random area, obviously I wouldn't have done it, but it did end up working out. I got the bike home. I waited 2 weeks to get it registered. Ordered a whole bunch of things for it. I ordered a tighty for the license plate, which I had to learn how to solder wires together, which was really cool and nerve-wracking, as you can see from the footage. That's ugly. I know it's ugly. My phone is cracked. I don't know if I did it. So I got that. I don't know. It's ugly as hell. Guys, I think I'm successful. And squeeze down. Hopefully. Guys, it works. It works. After I got this bike, I decided that I wanted one solo system between both bikes for packing up for when I take it camping. So I decided with the Scout 25s to replace my Reckless 80s from Mosko Moto. Still sticking with Mosko Moto. They are great when it comes to products and customer service, and you won't be disappointed with them. So I ended up going with the Scout 25s and a 30-liter Scout duffel bag. I had to install the racks on both the bikes. I ran into a little hiccups with the BMW and the CRF. This one got stripped. So and then I bought an extractor kit, and the extractor kit broke off in there. So I just took the bike to the mechanic. My mechanic, he's a car mechanic, but he said he'll be able to get that bolt off by welding something onto it. But anyways, got that installed. All right, guys, I finally did it. I installed the Outback Moto Trek pannier racks on both of my bikes.
officially could get rid of these rackless 80s that I have. And now you're at the end of the video. I'm planning a few trips this year. NEBDR, MABDR again, PA Wilds again, Smoky Mountain 500 or 250. I'm also planning to get a ride together with people who follow me. I have 300 subscribers. If 3 people want to get together, we got a 4-person group ride. It'll be awesome in the summer. Let me know if you're interested down below in the comments, and I'll make something happen, all right? Thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.
Has the upgraded handlebars, exacerbated hang. Oh my God, why can't I talk?